Dragon's View here. Today we are doing something that I've been longing for a long time. Well, two things actually. Number one, we're actually filming the stuff I do. Number two, we're finally taking my Corvette to go get cammed. Currently my C6 Corvette is a 2008 with an LS3. It has Speed Engineering long tube headers, a Veraram cold air intake, and a dyno tube. So right now we are currently putting down 427 wheel. Hopefully this cam gets us to the closest we can possibly do to 500. And with that, let's go here, cold start and idle so we can compare the before and after. Excuse how dirty it is. That oil change went wrong, but it wasn't on my car, and the car is dirty because it rained yesterday and I decided to take it out because I dropped off the Miata to go get something done. Now, besides dropping off the Corvette to go get canned, because quite frankly I don't want to mess anything up, so I wasn't gonna attempt to do it. I have a couple other things lined up for today. There's a car show and I have a photo shoot, and basically I'm gonna spend all day with exotic cars. So I figured with all that lined up, it'd be a good day to vlog, get a good chunk of content. I do stuff like this basically every day. I do work in the automotive industry, and well, even my weekends are full of car content, so yeah. Alright guys, and now in she goes into the shop. They said I should get it back Wednesday. Today's currently Saturday, so they're gonna start working on it Monday. I think that's pretty good timing, and I mean, I'm not really driving it in the winter, so it's whatever. Alright, so we dropped the car off. Now we're gonna be riding in my buddy's Camaro SS. It was actually cammed at that same shop, so here's kind of a preview. I don't have the same cam, but this thing sounds cool. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of this build, check him out. It's Red Eye Camaro. I'll put it here in the description. And yeah, so we're going to this Toys for Tots event, but it's like a car show, and it's gonna be like super high-end stuff. I'm pretty excited because there's some stuff that I've never seen before. So let's go. Well, they put me in the back because I made fun of them for having an auto. How dare you. Alright, so we just got here and it looks super packed. I can't wait to show you guys the cars that are here because, well, I'm more excited and it looks amazing. Check it out, guys. First thing you see, Porsche Carrera GT. This is insane. This is a crazy turnout for being winter. It's literally December 3rd. There's a Pagani Huayra, Mclaren 765, a Koenigsegg Regera. This is the first time I see a Koenigsegg actually out being driven. This is insane. Guys, there's so much to go over, but my favorite lineup is these three F1s. I'll get a closer look. Oh, well, right here we have a 918. I've actually seen this specific car before. Alright, check out P1 GTR Le Mans, F1. I love this car. F1. This is insane. Alright, so we just came inside of the store where they're hosting it. Check it out. We have this Pagani Huayra in full exposed carbon fiber. And it's Roadster, which is insane. I think this is the first time I see a Roadster, actually. No, I lied. I saw one in Ohio. Alright, people finally kind of scattered, so here's a better view. The F1 Le Mans. P1 Le Mans. GTR. love this car. Alright, so we just left that Toys for Tots event because now I have a photo shoot here at Chicago Motor Cars. I'm gonna be shooting a Corvette ZR1. Before we do that, let's check out the lineup they have here at CMC West Chicago. Starting off with this Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. I have a C7 ZR1. I don't think I'm shooting this one, but regardless, this is definitely a top dream car of mine. So even though they have that red A12, I'm a bigger fan of this white one. So clean, right next to the 458 and 600 LT. I want a 600 LT so bad. If I ever get to afford a supercar, I think I would start off with Mclaren. I know people have trust issues with these as far as reliability, but they just look so good. So here's the car in question that we're shooting today. C6 ZR1. So gorgeous. I love the wheels on it too. Check that out, got HREs. And here she is, a 1,000 horsepower C6 ZR1. Alright, sorry for that gap. We went to eat and now we're at my boy's house. He's doing an airbag suspension setup on the, wait, where is it? Right here. On his Mercedes 190E. So we're gonna start that up. I doubt we're gonna finish today, but basically the bag should be installed tomorrow. So right now we're gonna move his brother's WRX. This is his LS swap 300 ZX. 3000 GT. It's just bunch of cars here. But real quick, while we let it warm up, check out my boy's Subi. Sheesh, that's a clean Subi. Carbon though. And we got the 300. Don't mind the dust. It's winter here, so it hasn't been driven much. Here's the car in question, the one that's gonna get the bags installed. The Mercedes 190E. It's actually the cover car on Need for Speed Unbound that just came out. So he's gonna try to make a VIP build with it. Right now it's all stock, but the wheels are sick. They got this lip on him. The 300 won't turn on. Something with the coolant line or something. I don't know. So yeah, that thing's sick though. Y'all gotta hear the LS on this thing. Alright, so we're 1 hour in. We have no progress.
Hey, shut up, bro. I got a bolt off.
Hey, we're getting Wingstop on overdrive.
It's an old German car, so much complicated. So far, I've taken 2 bolts off. He's taken off like 2 bolts as well. Look at that. What is this?
Can you take it off?
This guy's just chilling, to be honest.
Hi.
Oh, but if it was his bags, guys, I gotta do it today.
I was helping him too when he was
Do you actually have, I paid someone to do it for you.
I was able to take off, well, me and Rocco were able to take off both front struts. The bolts were spinning, so we kind of did have to MacGyver some stuff. So that's set. They're working on the rear right now because it's an old car, so a lot of stuff was just spinning instead of coming out. Finally got that one out. Guess I gotta take that one out now.
Got it out. The first strut.
Progress.
Progress.
Rocco, get out of the shot!
No, he actually helped.
Oh, okay.
This is
Hey,
a big
Rocco, hey. You get 1 second of screen time. Choose wisely.
There it is.
That's it for the rest of your life. All right, update number 2 or 3. I don't know. We went to eat and we're back, but honestly, they're doing most of the work now. Still trying to take off that spring. One of the rear
bags is installed.
Well, what me and Papa John did earlier.
And they're trying to take off the spring on the other side. And we still haven't started on that side. And Rocco's still just chilling, literally. Update. Oh, gee, thanks. We all got hot chocolate.